movie app. So let me share my screen. Actually, I forgot to share my screen. So this is what we are going to build, this very good trending movie apps. This is going to, we are going to build in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and this is going to get the API movies details from an API. See, nice overlay is also there, and these are all the latest movies which it is getting. Okay, and this is like this, and we are using the movie API. So this data is not like that I have put the data and all, so we are getting it from a movie API. So let's get started. Okay, so okay, so I have a blank folder as always, and inside this, the first thing which I'm going to do is index.html, and then style.css, and main.js I will do. Okay, and okay, so as always we will start with the HTML file, and let me increase the font size because it will be much better to see in the mobile screen also with this font size. So I've increased it, and let me start. Okay, so shift and this I will do, and then the tab, and it will show this, and then here title I can give movie app, and link css style.css. Okay, and there is another way to use the script. So either I can use it here in the body at the end, here I can use a script. Okay, so let me show one thing. Script src, which is main.js. So this is the normal way. So there is another way also, we can use it here. So the reason we don't use the JavaScript file here is that the JavaScript generally blocks the HTML. So once it is not loaded completely, it will block the HTML. That's why we use at the end. So we let the body HTML and CSS load first, and then only we do this main.js, means so whatever the JavaScript file, because once the HTML is loaded, when the site is loaded, then only the user will interact with the site. If he site itself is not loaded, how he will interact, he or she will interact. So JavaScript is for interactivity, so that's why we do it in the end. So there is another way to do this, so I will do that. Let me take it to the top here. So here if I put it like this, it will block the HTML. That is not a good thing. Okay, so what I am to do, I have to use another attribute known as differ. Just use a differ attribute and it will do it. So differ is done, and then after that header is there, and h1 trending movies, I will do trending movies, form of id form of id form I am going to take input type text. So this is complete HTML, this is JavaScript, nothing else, and we're going to do the API call also, as I have told. Type text id equal to search, placeholder equal to search, class equal to search, like this, and header. After this header, we are going to have a hash content, and as you might have guessed, every content will be here only. We are only going to have some search bar, nothing else. All of the content will be here only. Okay, so the, as I've told, all the content will be here. So let's get started with the content and the script tag. I'm going to start. Why not, as always, do the CSS first, and then we will go to the script. Okay, let us do at least the CSS of whatever is there right now on the screen, because a lot of things are coming from the JavaScript. Okay, so let us do that thing. Okay, so let me first open it with VS Live Server. So I'm opening it with Live Server. So this is how it looks. I think is that just a text heading and a search bar is there. So let us do some styling first. Okay, so we are going to have a font known as Poppins here. So Poppins font we are going to have first. This is a Google font. Okay, star box sizing is border box, body is background, color is hash 030303, and font family is Poppins, comma Sharif, or whatever it is there. Sensitive is much better. Margin is 0. Okay, then header also we are going to do, because this thing is that the header also we have created. So header we are also going to do. Header is background, color is 363636. Okay, display is flex, and let's do the h1 also. H1, with h1 also we have given. Okay, color is white smoke, nice color, and align self is center, and margin left is 28 rem. Okay, so margin left is 28 rem. So if I get here, go here, so it is coming nice. Okay, okay, so the next thing which we are going to do is a search. So the search, yeah, we have a class for that, I think. Yeah, class is there. Margin is 3 rem, margin left is 12 rem, background color is transparent, border is 2px solid, hash e9 e9ec, and border radius is 50px, and color is hash fff, and font family is inherit. So inherit means whatever is we have given. Inherit means we have given is as Poppins, so it will take that inherit. And font size is 1 rem, so we are using a lot of rems here. And padding is 0.5 rem and 1 rem. Save it. Now if I go, so it is looking quite good. So the search and all is looking quite good. And let us have some more also, means search placeholder also we'll do it a bit. Okay, dot search placeholder. Color is not FFF, it is FFF, it will not even show. It is 7378C5. And search focus is, background color is 050505, and outline is none. Save it. So now it is looking much better. So the color is also different. So this purple type of color we have given. Okay, so now the main thing is that we are going to go to the our JavaScript now. Okay, so the JavaScript we are going to do. So here, okay, so let me go to the main.js, and here we are going to add some event listeners. Okay, so let me add them. Okay, so let us also see the database which we are going to use. So the movie db.org we are going to see, the movie db.org we are going to see. Oh, I think it is wrong. Why it is showing the API thing? Yeah, so api.movie. Okay, so it is there, and there is an API key is there in this. So I will right now I will use my own API key, and you can use your own API key, log in and create your own API keys and all those things. So we are going to have this discover example. I'm going to go, and I'm going to uh, just get the movie, just get the movie, and but primary release and all we are not going to do. We are just going to get the movies. Okay, and we have to give the API key here, and for image also, image path also we are going to get the image path also. So that image path also we have to get, and there is a search API also which we need to do. So let us do all those things, and okay, so we are going to create 3 variables like this. Okay, one is the, okay, so api.movie.3 discover, so we're discovering the movie, and you have to pass the API key. Yeah, and I'm going to delete it. So image path also we have to take it from them only, tmdb, and another search API also they are providing. So this we are also we are going to do. So after this let us have const main equal to document dot get element by id not main, document.getElement by id, content, this one we are getting. Let me copy it, or else document.getElement by id content, and we have a form. This form we have, so const form equal to document.getElement by id, because we have a form also inside it. So form I'm going to take. Okay, and then the other one which we are going to do, this search also we have, and search is the id of search. So const search equal to document.getElement by id search. So we are going to get this search. Okay, now one thing I will say, I will disable the API keys, so please use your own API keys by registering in the site. Okay, so we, after this I will initially call the get movies API URL. So we are going to get the initial movies. Okay, get initial movies with the API URL, and then let us create that function. So how to get it? Sync, it will be a sync function get movies, and not API URL, whatever you can take, means URL. Anyways, we are going to pass it from here, API URL. Okay, so this we are going to take, and then we are going to use as simple as that. It has given me the code. Okay, so this we are going to give. So this Copilot is giving me all these things. Okay, so we are going to use await. So let me explain it. Await is fetch URL, res data, or data, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Await like this, console.log dash data, show movies data. No, it's not exactly data. So maybe, okay, so it is like this. So it will show me all these things, and okay, so it will show all these things like this. Okay, API. Okay, so all these things are there, and you can go through all these things and movies, and get the movies and all those things. So again, anyways, you have to give the API keys here, so we cannot do it here. Okay, anyways, it is like that. It will, if I see this data, we can see it. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me do it like this. Save it and come back here. Where is the movie? Here, inspect it. Let's see whether it is coming. Yeah, it is coming. Main.js line number 14, we are getting it. And here, if I go here, and there is a result array. So result array is getting all the data. So like this, it is getting all the data. So that's why there will be show movies, in which I just have to pass the data dot results. I have to pass it like this, data dot results, and I will get all these things. Okay, data dot results. And now we have to just create the show movies. So I will come here, and function show movies. Okay, again, It is giving me a lot of data, but it is all wrong. I don't want it like this. Okay, so sometimes the AI is not always right. Maybe they want to show something else. They will not. Maybe, maybe maybe I will believe what they say. See, output is the movie that for each then output we are making it as empty, and output plus call md. Anyways, I'm not going to use bootstrap and all. I don't know why it is giving me bootstrap. Okay, but this is a very good code which they have created. Okay, okay, let me see whether this one will work or I will use my own code. Okay, so anyway, but I don't have all this. Okay, poster path and all it is been showing, and means I have to change a lot of my okay. So what I will do, I will not use it because this is not good code. Okay, so this is suggests all these things. Let me use my own code. Main dot inner html. Main dot inner html equal to empty string. Then movies. Anyways, we have to do a for each here. Okay, movies dot for each movie I will going to do, and then again it is showing me I don't want these things all. Okay, so let me use the space bar, or if I do the tab it will do all this nonsense. So poster path, so we're destructuring poster path, title, overview, id. I don't want title, overview, vote, AVERAG. I think a lot of people have used this movie database, because from where GitHub Copilot picks up, it picks up from GitHub only. Okay, so that is where it picks up. Now it is giving me error because I have to close it, and it is giving me more issues than it is solving. Okay, it is giving me more issues than it is solving. Yeah, so const movie el equal to document dot create element div. So we are going to create an element of div, and then movie el dot class list dot add movie. Yeah, I have to do that. So movie el, I'm adding in that movie. So this we are going to create in the css5 else file, and movie el dot inner html also it is giving me. And then I don't want to do it like this. I want to do image. Yeah, image is okay. Source is image path, and poster path, image path, and image path, and poster path is the thing which we have here. So image path is the path which we have like this. The title is like this. So again it is right, and then after that, if movie this div will be open and this div will be closed here. And I don't want it like this. Div class equal to overview, and here h3 overview, and this like this, dollar overview div will end here, and this things will be there. And something, let me change it because I don't want it exactly like this. I have thought of some other classes, like not like this, and then it will be in 4 class I have taught. And then the h3 I don't need any class like this. h3 I don't need any class like this. And here h5 I just need a span, not a h5, I just need a span. And here uh, here I am going to use a function here. Actually it's a different kind of thing, but here I am going to use a function. Okay, let me close it like this. Dollar get class by rate. So we are going to give this rating, so that get class by rate I am going to get. And vote average, I'm going to give vote average, so I'm going to send it there and getting the vote average. So this span will be like this, and overview and all these things are right. And after that where is my main? So main here, main dot append child movie L. So movie L, which I have just created, I am appending it to the main. And one thing to note is that it is inside this for each only, so I am appending it every time. Okay, so I'm appending all the movie cell to it, so it will be a big string actually. Okay, so I have to create this function get rate, and the vote is there. And then if like this, I will have a if statement. If vote is greater than equal to 8, then green. If vote is greater than equal to 5, then orange, and red. Okay, so this is the thing which I am going to have. And now I will have a submit handler also on the form. So this form I am going to use the submit also. So form dot add event listener submit e, and e dot prevent defaults and all those things are there. E dot prevent default I am doing. Then const term is search dot value search term is search dot value, and a lot of things are not like this. And also it is giving me error. Okay, const term is search dot value, but I don't want to have it like this. If search term, then get movies search API plus search term. And then after that what I'm going to do is search dot value equal to empty string. So this is how I'm going to get it, the get movies again. And the get movies, whatever the data it will go to give the so movies, is not a very tough logic, just we are looping through it and adding it. Okay, so this is like this. And now moment of truth, if I go back, see, I'm getting the data and everything is been shown, but everything is way too big, because there is no CSS, but everything is coming fine. So there is, so now the next thing which is there is that we have to create the CSS now. So we have added a lot of classes here. like movie class we have had, movie info class we have had, movie um, overview class we have had, and so we have this green, orange and red classes also. See, whatever will be the vote average, it will be dependent on that. Okay, so in the style.css we have to go and now have to update it. Okay, so the first thing which we are going to do is, see, we have just one div in our whole application. This div is at least from here. So the first thing which I'm going to do is going to do a div of display flex and flex wrap is wrap. Okay, then this movie I will style. So with this display flex wrap is wrap also, nothing will happen, but a lot of other css stuff will go now. So dot movie, but we are getting the data, that is the main thing. Okay, so background, so color is so I will not be dependent too much on the AI right now. So it is giving everything wrong, and it is making, not wrong, but someone else's code it is giving me, and it is making my work harder right now. So always the AI will not make your work easier, it will sometimes make your work harder also. And border radius, and it is not a AI kind of a thing, it is just getting the data from the GitHub, so it is not a large data set. And this copilot thing I'm talking about. And then okay, let give me some good. It is not even giving me some good thing for a box shadow. 5px RGDA 000.2 I will give, and then like this. And then overflow is hidden, and position is relative, and margin is 1 ram, justify content is center, and align item is center, and width is 265px. So one thing more I want to tell. So let me go here, and let us see how much, and it is showing much better. And one thing I want to show, this inspect, I will, if I want to see this content only we had. After that, inside this I am creating, and this is the flex box. Inside it I am creating this, all this movie thing. Okay, all this movie IDs and all, and inside that movie ID I am creating something like this. Okay, image is there, and it has got two more thing, image info and overview it has got. So this is what we are doing, and this is flex. And then movie with I have done, but it is not done. So there is a logic which we need to do sometime, which is known as lot movie img, and width is 100%. I don't need the auto, I don't need the height auto. Width is 100%. So this is required to have the image fit. Okay, so image is much more fitter right now. See, image had fitted. Okay, and this is the overview part. Overview part is also, we are getting the overview part. Okay, so overview part is also been shown, but in our original case the overview is not been shown like that. Okay, so after that there is a movie info. We are going to target this movie info, which is, if you go back, what it is the title and this movie info. So this one we are targeting, movie info. Okay, this one we are targeting, and then here I will go and dot movie info, and then I don't want from here, color is #EEE, and display is flex, flex direction is column, align, because it has got two things. Okay, So justify content is center, and align item is also center. So this is how to center everything. Then the padding, we will get some padding. Padding is 0.5 rem, 1 rem, 1 rem. Okay, so like this. And letter spacing is 0.5 px. Okay, so if I go back, so it is showing like this. Let me get rid of this thing. Okay, so it is showing like this. Okay, so after this, in the movie info, I have a h3 tag, so I will target that dot movie info h3 margin of 0, and do margin of 0 is done. And then moving for span, I have dot movie info span. I'll do background color is hash 22254b. Border radius is 3px. Font weight is bold. Padding is 25 gram and 0.8 gram. So see, now it is looking much more better. Okay, much more better it is looking. Now what we are going to do, we are going to have those green, orange and red, which we have. So we are going to have those things. So let us have those things. It is dependent on the vote which is received by from the user about the movie. So this is all real data, this is not all fake data and all those things. Okay, so movie info dot span dot green color is RGB 39, 189, 39 green. Okay, green. Okay, so like this. Let me have for another one is for orange, and so this orange, and orange is done. So this is orange, and let me have red, and red, let me give it like this, 189, 42, 42. So kind of red only I have given, so not exactly red. And after that, this overview, we have to do this overview. Dot overview is like this. And so again, I'm not going to use this thing which they're giving me. Background color is hash fff. Padding is 2 rem. Position is absolute. Max height is 100% overflow is auto. So overflow is auto. Overview, no, not overview. Overflow is auto, and left is 0, bottom is 0, and right is 0, and transform translate x is 101%. Okay, so this is what we are going to do, means so it will not be shown earlier. So 0.5 second is very too much. It should be 0.3 sec is in. Okay, so is in, so save it, and dot overview h3 is margin top is 0, and the main thing, so if I do this thing, so see, one thing is that still it is not solved, still it is showing all these things, and but the color is showing perfect. This color we have changed. Okay, so but where is my overview? See, if I am hovering over it, now overview is coming. So overview will come in, see this movie is there, so dot movie hover. So I will have a hover property here, and that dot overview I will have, and a transform translate y is 0. So I have to do the transform translate y is 101%, means it is outside. So now I will show it, and now if I take over it, see, this is coming, so 101% is going outside, so it is now coming, perfectly. So just like in here, it is also coming here, and all these things are coming. So this one has a bit big, so even this is coming. Okay, so this is what is all about. All of these things are coming, and with this actually we completed our app, and hope you like this, and okay. Okay, so with this we come to an end of this stream, and as you know, I'm continuously streaming for past I think it is 57 58 days. I will soon do some without streaming, I think I will do some recorded videos also, because it is become very difficult, and but I'll daily post a video. That is this, the 100 days of videos challenge, I am going to complete it. That is for sure, 100 days of video challenge I'm going to complete it. And we are on day number 60, I think. Yeah, 100 days of videos challenge will always there. You'll always get a video every day, you will get a video. And regarding me, I am a full-time JavaScript trainer and a freelance developer. So you can contact me for any one of the thing. Either you want to develop something, or you want me to train you in React. I have many batches going on. So connect with me on social media, and you will find out more about it. Mainly on LinkedIn, you can connect with me, and you can find out about my various batches. Mostly they are live batches, and at one time I have many one of them going on. So with this, I will end today's stream, and I will see you again in tomorrow's stream. Thank you.